From broke to billionaire. The homeless man who built an empire in 365 days. Once upon a time, a man slept on the cold ground with nothing but a torn bag and one question in his head. Is this really how my story ends? No money, no home, no one checking on him. But 365 days later, that same man owned a business worth billions. Not luck, not magic, just one decision, repeated every single day. This is his story. His name was Daniel. Not long ago, Daniel had a normal life. A small job, a small apartment, a routine. Nothing special, but stable. Then everything broke at once. He lost his job. He couldn't pay rent. Friends disappeared. Family stopped answering his calls. And just like that, he was on the street. The first night was the hardest. Not because of hunger, not because of the cold, but because of the silence. That moment when you realize nobody is coming to save you. One morning, Daniel sat outside a small shop. Weak, tired, invisible. People walked past him like he didn't exist. Until one old man stopped. He didn't give him money. He gave him something else. A simple question. What are you going to do about it? Daniel didn't answer. The man looked him in the eye and said, "You don't need a miracle. You need a plan." Then he walked away. That sentence stayed in Daniel's head all day. That night, instead of sleeping, Daniel made a decision. No more waiting. No more blaming. No more feeling sorry for himself. Just action. Day 1. Daniel had nothing. Not even food. So he started with the smallest step possible. He offered to clean a shop for free, just for a meal. They said no. He tried again. And again. By the 5th try, someone said yes. That was his first win. Not money, just food. But it gave him something more important. Momentum. He kept going. Cleaning. Carrying loads. Running errands. Every small task added up. Every rejection made him tougher. By the end of 30 days, he wasn't homeless in his mind anymore. He was building something. Daniel noticed something. The people making money weren't working harder. They were solving problems. So he started watching, listening, learning. He spent time around small business owners, asked questions, paid attention. One thing stood out. Many of them struggled with something simple, getting customers. That was the gap. That was the opportunity. Daniel didn't have money, but he had time and hunger. So he made a bold move. He offered to help businesses get customers for free at first. Most people ignored him. Some laughed. But one person said yes. Daniel helped that one business. He went door to door, talked to people, shared flyers, used simple ideas, and it worked. Customers started coming in. The business owner noticed. For the first time, Daniel got paid. Not much, but enough to believe. This can work. Word started spreading. One client became 2. 2 became 5. Daniel wasn't just surviving anymore. He was creating value. Now Daniel had something powerful. Proof. He used it. He approached bigger businesses. This time, he didn't beg. He spoke with confidence. I can bring you customers. If I don't, you don't pay. That changed everything. People listened. Some said yes. Daniel worked day and night. He reinvested every naira. Learned marketing, sales, communication. He failed many times, but he adjusted. Again and again. By now, Daniel had built a system. Not just working for businesses, but helping them grow consistently. He turned his service into a company, hired people, built a team, expanded fast. What started as survival became strategy. What started as one client became hundreds. By day 365, that small service business turned into something massive. Investors came in. Partnerships formed. The value crossed into billions. Now listen carefully. This story is not really about money. It's about something deeper. Daniel didn't become successful because he had a big opportunity. He became successful because he used small ones again and again. He didn't wait for perfect conditions. He moved with what he had. He didn't win in one moment. He won in daily decisions. Somewhere out there right now, someone is sitting alone, feeling stuck, feeling forgotten, feeling like life has already decided their ending. But here's the truth. Your current situation is not your final story. One decision can change direction. One action can start momentum. And 1 year can completely transform your life. So the question is simple. What are you going to do about it?